Good morning, guys. This night and morning it has been 15 below here, and it's freezing cold. And I hate winter so much. It's always something that gets everything. It's just, if it's not this, then it's something else. And up with the ponies, we have a drinking station that fills itself up, so we don't have to carry water to them all the winter. And it was supposed to be heated so that the water didn't freeze, but of course it did anyway. So when we came out here this morning, this whole thing was filled with ice, and as you can see, there's nothing in here. I tried to remove the ice with some hot water that worked yesterday. It has not worked today. So then my boyfriend, he put up this heat cannon, and the ponies have gotten some hot soup. They've been drinking about 30 liters, so maybe not that much, 20 liters. No, I think it's about 30 liters actually. So they were definitely thirsty. I had to go to the store later and buy some varmekabel, heating something to wrap around that one to try to prevent it from freezing. So I do not like winter. I hate winter. I really do. I hate freezing, and everything gets broken and everything just real bad. Well, anyway, I'll keep you posted on how it turns out. Hallelujah, the water is back. This thing is amazing. If it hadn't been fixed today, it would probably have been broken forever because the water pipe would have been burst. But we did it. We managed to defrost. I have a translation on my side here. So that was good. The water is back. It has been defrosted, and I am going to buy some varmekabler, which I don't know it. Heating cables, yeah. And probably, hopefully, fingers crossed, it will last out the winter. Alright guys, so now I have been to the store and I've bought this heating cable, and we're gonna try to make this one a bit lower so that we get this wire out of there. So this is what happened. It's totally leak. So incredibly typical. Nothing ever seems to work. Okay guys, so we're having one last Hail Mary. We've been trying to make some adjustments, and my boyfriend is going to put on the water now. So we had to take it out and put it underneath in here. It's not optimal, but it's the last Hail Mary, so if this doesn't work now, this thing is broken and we need to carry out water for the horses every day. But fingers crossed, he agrees. Last Hail Mary. Ta-da! It looks like our last Hail Mary worked. What do you think? We're really good, ah. Yeah. Good work. Thank you. We hate life right now. But it worked. Good job. All right. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. That would be awesome. And yeah, we gotta push through this cold winter. But it's life. Life at the farm. All right. Hope to see you soon. Bye. Has the automatic water dispenser been antifreezed during the night? Ta-da! Yes, it has. Oh, wonderful.